Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you what's inside my own made 100 watt Bluetooth amplifier. Now let's get started. Friend, there is my own made 100 watt amplifier. You can see this. In today's video, I want to show you what's inside and how I make this Bluetooth amplifier. Now let's open it and I will show you what inside. Friend, there is my amplifier, own made amplifier. You can see this. Friend, to operate this amplifier, I use this lithium ion battery, 12 volt lithium ion battery with BMS. You can see this. And there is my amplifier kit. And there is 50 watt speaker. I use two 50 watt speaker. There is 50 watt speaker and there is another 50 watt speaker. Friend, there is Bluetooth decoder module. Friend, there is USB option and memory card option. Friend, to charge this I am using 12 volt charger. There is 12 volt charger. Friend, making process in link in description. You can watch our making process. So friend, that's my video of my own made amplifier speaker. So I hope you will enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, then subscribe, like.